Hi everyone, this is Decor Telovi, and today I'm going to show you how to install a DIY wall clock. So this is the clock and this is how it actually looks on the box. Okay, so if you want to know the design, you just there is always a sticker here on top. This is how the design inside actually looks. So you open it up. This is the inside. You unwrap it, and it actually also has a manual. This is the manual inside, so you can read it and learn how to fix the clock. It's a DIY, do it yourself. This is the scaler that you use to make an accurate circle, and these are the materials. So this is the main clock where you put the battery. This one over here. So this is a gold clock. You put them there. Hey, so pretty. And this is the acrylic material, the one with the main color. It also has two hooks in case when you hammer one on the wall and it breaks, you can use the other one. And there's the minute and the hour hand, these two. You remove them just slowly, carefully, so you don't like break it or bend it. And this is the Everfoam material. This one over here. This is the Everfoam material, and this is the acrylic material. So you remove all these numbers inside here. Sorry about that. You can actually throw these things away. Now this is how it looks after you remove them. And now I come to this other acrylic material, which has the color that one prefers, and this is the gold color actually. And next I'm going to show you how you attach them. So for example, your Everfoam material, this is number 7. Now you take your acrylic material numbers, the same number. This is it. So you peel the white part where the gum is, or rather the glue. You remove it nicely and carefully so you don't break it. It's a bit fragile. And then you come and fix them together like this. You make sure they are aligned really nicely. Yes. Just like that. And these are your gold clock looks. This is the part that is going to come on the wall, so you're going to paint the black part, the white part on the Everfoam material. These are the clock looks. And now I'm going to continue with the rest of the numbers to do the same, to repeat the same. guys, I'm done attaching my materials, that is the acrylic and the Eva foam material, and these are the numbers now look. So the next part we're going to do is how to actually install it on the wall. We are done with the first step, the second and the third. So we're going on the wall. And these are the numbers. Then let's get to the wall and see how it comes out. So actually this is the scaler. It has a maximum radius of 60 centimeters, and this is the one that gives you like an accurate circle, how accurate you place your numbers. That is the clock, how to place the clock. So you place it on the wall like this, then you choose your radius. Like for example, I'm going to choose minus 40 centimeters. Then you take it round just to check how low or how high you want your clock to be, and then you can mark your center, something like that. And then you actually need a hammer. That is the only thing, the only tool you need while fixing the DIY clock. And then there is this hook. You hammer it on the wall like this, facing upwards. Like that. That is the hook. There is gonna hold. Yes, and then you take your scaler, you open the nut of the clock, then you close the scaler inside over here, and then you hang it on the wall like that. So actually in the cases where you don't have a tape, because you need like a self-tape to make sure the scaler doesn't make any movement while placing the numbers, you can try and arc it with this Eva foam material. So you just tear it up like that. You take the small pieces, just like 4 of them. So straightforward. I'm gonna use this 4 because I just need like for it to hold it a bit when I'm placing the numbers. Okay, so actually when placing the numbers, you just make sure the line inside. Let's say for example you are touching number 6 or letter 6, number 6 actually. You just make sure the line inside and the outside one with the centimeters are in line. That is like this, they're completely in line. The same case if you're placing number 5, the same thing, the line. 3, the same case. 4, just like that to make an accurate circle. And sometimes the numbers can be a bit confusing. So just look at the picture on the sticker that you can actually use the same image of the same clock on your phone, like the one I have right here. So I'm going to look at this and then I place the numbers. So this is letter 6. This I'm gonna do it. You on the Eva foam material, you remove the white part, that is where the gum is. Just remove it carefully. And it's actually super sticky. It's outside the box. Look how the numbers are arranged and then place them the same way. done with placing the numbers, and that's actually what it is. And the next step, I'm going to place the minute and the hour hand. So first I'm going to remove these ones carefully. The first thing that you fix is the hour hand, and there is actually a paper on top that you're supposed to peel off. And then you push it inside until it covers the white part, this white part. This is how you do it. Yeah, like that. Then the minute hand. Just place it there. And then you close your nut. Then you just make sure they're not clashing anywhere. Next thing that you do is you put your battery, and then you make sure you look at the positive and the negative. The same thing to the battery. You put it like that, so like this, then you pull it inside. Then you make sure you hear the tickling sound. That's when you know the tape is working. Yeah, it's actually tickling. So then you set it up. You can actually set it up manually. For example, like right now it's 12:14. You just push your minute and hour hand like this, and then you set your time as 12:14. And then after that, actually there is a paper on top of the acrylic material. You peel them off to give the cloth that shiny look and more prettier, shiny look. So that is the final look of the floor. It's amazing, yeah. So guys, it's super amazing. And thank you so much for watching our video. If you want to please like, you can reach out to us on Instagram as Telovi Decor, Facebook as Telovi Decor. You can also send us an email at telovi@gmail.com, or you can reach out to us on the number below. Thank you so much, guys.